The overall goal of the centrally catheterized mouse method for cecal ligation and puncture, or CLP, is to create a reproducible model of prolonged critical illness with intensive care measures to mimic the human clinical setting.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of intensive care medicine about the pathogenesis of endocrine and metabolic alterations during acute and prolonged critical illnesses.
The main advantage of this technique is that it combines the well-standardized CLP technique with the use of a central venous line for fluid, drug and nutrient administration.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Thomas Dufour, a technician from our lab.
To prepare the venous line tip, quickly immerse the middle section of a piece of 60 centimeter microrenethane tubing in 220 degrees Celsius or hotter sesame oil. Gently pull on the ends of the tubing to stretch the middle of the tube to produce a narrow central diameter, and use a scalpel blade to cut the tubing into 2 equal 30 centimeter pieces. Now, connect the tubing to a polyethylene PE50 connector, a swivel, and a lure stub needle to construct the catheter as demonstrated, and apply strong, fast-acting adhesive glue to all of the connections. When the glue has cured, flush the catheter with air to check for leakage. Next, cut an 80 centimeter piece from a 0.8 millimeter diameter metal wire, and fold the wire back on itself to make a loop. Lead 3 pearls over the doubled wire of the loop and guide the tip of the sterilized catheter through the 3 pearls to attach the catheter to the wire.